Hey Devonshire, are you a business owner and you would like to be able to promote yourself at one of the largest events that we are having here at Devonshire? Well then I encourage you to become a sponsor for our event. We have many different types of sponsors that we're looking for. We've got sponsors for some of the raffle prizes that we're going to have that's going to go out to the community. We're going to have opportunities for you to be able to pass out some of your items to the community itself, as well as we're going to promote you on all the promotions within the newsletter and even some of our social media platforms. So this was a perfect opportunity for you to be a part of something that we know is going to be on a large scale and get your business out there. So if you're interested in being a sponsor for our event, please go ahead and contact me at the office. You can call me or you can email me. I'll be more than happy to provide you with more details of what you are able to get by helping to make this event one of the biggest events that Devonshire has experienced to date. So I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to working with you.